Good morning! I'm ready. We're ready to go to the beach. Look at that. Wow. We missed the sunrise. It's already out. Ivan's there already. And Kuya. Sula ba yun? Wala akong times 100 eh. Times 10 lang meron. Ayan. Okay, this is the pool area. As you can see, the sun is out. So this is the pool. Oh. So sarado pa pala yung pool area. It will open around 10. So we're just gonna get breakfast instead and go to the beach.
Medyo mabato guys. Malamig sis. Ha? Malamig. Ate Queen. Ayan, okay na. Bato-bato naman here. Oh, malalim. Ah! Ang lamig! What?
Dive na, dive.
2, 3.
Go, ate ko rin. Go.
There's the wave. Oh, okay. Buhangin na po dito, guys. Ay, shit, malalim.
Come on. Ate ko rin, go.
Oh my gosh, it's so good. It's cold at first. It's now okay. Oh my gosh.
Go, 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 go! What? 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 Oh, eh. Another one. Oh wow. Oh wow.
That's it. Habot mo yan.
Come on, Ate Colleen.
Ikot ka, ikot. May balyera.
Nilabas na yung pen
Gusto
niya.
wala pa isang pa.
Pilay.
Maganda yung may pen eh.
Tour guide. Tingin ka naman dyan, tour guide. Day 1, 2. We're on our way to Malaga. So we went to the beach already this morning. And now it's what, 11 something? Ito pala Carrefour eh. 11:18. So we are now on our way to the train station to go to Malaga. Okay, baskil na po mga kababayan. We're gonna have to buy the tickets. Yan, bumibili po ng tickets to Malaga. Thanks to our finances.
Why does everyone have a car?
Sorry.
Yay! Tap mo lang. Tap na lang. Bago. So, pinababa kami, tapos aakyat ulit. Ano ba to?
Sorry, Molino.
Ganyan daw. Ha? Mainit, pero mabaho.
Kanin ka talaga.
We are now in Malaga. So we are walking to go to Comisaria. It will take about 19 minutes to get there. Okay, we are done with Renovacion Beldiani, and now we are going around Malaga. We're gonna look for a place to eat, and we're going home after. First time to try Liao Liao. Okay lang siya, hindi naman siya ganun kasarap.
Parang patay ng yaw-yaw. Yaw-yaw. Habibi! Hey, Habibi! tayo kinakain ng mga pan.
Malaga Festival. Kaso ang layo and ang haba ng lakarin. Ang init-init kaya mag-picture na lang kami. And now we are gonna go back to the train station. I think. And go home.
Aboy la Castillo.
You want to see my two-piece though?
Yeah, show your two-piece.
It's Ariel.
Wow.
That's so amazing.
Ito yung amaze na amaze eh. Ito yun eh. Siya yung tuwan-tuwa.
Bye-bye, Miyagi. See you later. See you night.
Kikibabay.
Bye-bye.
Estamos aquí esperando nuestro comida. Hace muy calor, ¿verdad? Sobrang init. Ito. Ayan o. And this is the best water. Solan de Cabra. So, ano masasabi mo?
May nakita na akong churero stand.
Churero? What's that?
Churros.
Di ba yun yung sinabi ni Tito Boy, Chureria, the best daw?
Nagkain na ba tayo dito kagabi?
Eh, yun.
Ha?
Hindi.
Yan, dami yung ginawang ganyan-ganyan.
Kung may naglalakad.
Okay, beach for the second time around. Now it's now it's 5:45. So ayan, magbe-beach ulit kami. This time mas madami na kami. Okay, so ayan. Nasa ano na kami, beach. On my way to a room. Kasi gusto ko nang maligo. Para chill-chill na lang. Come on.
Kinabahan ba kayo? Sabi ko kami na naman yung magpapa-ice cream pa naman ta. Okay, picture daw tayo.
Oh, I can't wait for the ice cream.
Ano, video? Video.
So ayan, naglalakad kami. Maraming mga binibentang kung ano-ano. Mga, yeah, brains.
Guarda come sta.
Daming tao. Wow. May usok, amoy.
Vamos al hotel. Yeah. With the moon. Where's the moon? There's the moon.
It feels like it's morning in the picture.
Yeah, it's so bright. How was the beach? How was the pool? Which is the best? The pool.
Hari-hari. So, second day guys, Burger King. Nauwi sa Burger King. Request ng mga baguette. And shawarma. So, ayan po. Ganyan po kagugulo pag maraming hindi nagkakaintindihan, mga kababayan. Basta kami kumakain. Enjoy ka.
Ano, yan ang sandwich na sila?
Boy!
Para